Hello everybody, Jeff McDermott, Kriete Truck Center here in Madison, here to show you this super sharp MACK MD6. That's a 26,000 non-CDL. It's got a Cummins 260 horsepower engine. Notice it's got aluminum rims, both front and rear, 90-gallon fuel tank. Take a look on the interior. Got an air suspension, dump valve, cruise, Allison automatic transmission, tilt steering, all the creature comforts that you would come to expect. This truck has currently got a 270-inch wheelbase. However, we certainly can shorten it or lengthen it based upon your need and application. Truck would be great as far as a van body, flatbed, work truck. Again, whatever your application calls for, we can certainly make modifications to the truck. Again, notice some sharp aluminum rims, chrome mirrors, chrome bumper, chrome grille, and most importantly, you know it's a MACK. Again, Jeff McDermott, Kriete Truck Center, Madison. Give me a shout if you have any questions. 608-225-7555. Have a great rest of your day.